Hey, my algebra students, so we did order of operations. I kind of want to spend a little bit more time on it. Whenever you have a number represented by a variable, we want to put that number in for that variable whenever we see it in the problem. But whenever you replace a variable by a number, you use parentheses. So this says I want double x. So I go 2 parentheses what x is. So that'd be 2 times -4, which is -8. So this would be -4 plus -2. And as we learned in chapter 0, there's the same sign, so you just add the digits or add the numbers without the sign and keep the sign. 2 plus 4 is 6, so it'd be -6. Parentheses -4, quantity squared, so it'd be a negative times a negative because it's in parentheses. Now be careful, if we had this, the answer is -16, and most people get that wrong. There's no parentheses. So this would be -4 squared. Negative is positive. 4 squared is 16. Then this is -4 divided by -2. So negative is positive. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So you have to remember order of operations is powers and grouping. That's any power, square, cube, then parentheses, brackets is grouping. Then once you've done all those you can do, you go back and do multiplying and dividing. Then once you've done all those, you go back and do addition and subtraction. So this, I have to do the power first because it's a higher order of operation than subtraction. So I'd go 7 minus 9, which is -2. Now the book gets a little bit happy with how many operations it has in one problem. Test won't be quite that bad. By the way, no test this week. No test this week. Did I say no test this week? Oh no! Yes, I guess, no test. So we'd have 4, square the 2, that square means multiply by itself. 2 times 2 is 4. So notice in this case I didn't change the minus because it was not in the parentheses, just like this problem up here. So it stays that way. So it's 4. 3 minus 4 is -1. So that'd be -4. Here, I have to do the parentheses before I square. So it's 1 squared, which is 1. So here I can't do anything until I get the grouping out of the way in the middle. 4 minus 6 is -2. But then I have to do this grouping before I worry about 2 because that's multiplication whenever you have a number next to a parentheses. So 3 minus a -2 is 3 plus 2 is 5. Then it is 10. And the last one, I have to do the powers before I do the subtraction. So it's 25 minus 9, which is 16. So this is just a real short video. I think we're in pretty good shape overall in the class. I'll give your test back Tuesday. You should get the results out on the computer this afternoon. Hey, have a good weekend. Good Monday off. Tell your parents Mr. Murphy said you don't have to study more than 15 hours tomorrow. It's a day off. You should relax. Take at least 10 minutes and just relax, do nothing. But don't study more than 15 hours. Mercy. Have a good day.